Do you have that entrepreneur drive? Do you have that burning entrepreneur spirit inside of you? Whatever it is, you can take any idea that you have in the world and think about how to monetize it if it's a solution for people. The very first business that I ran in my life, I was in second grade and I had an idea. I saw a candy that was actually popular in school. And so I saw it the other day and it reminded me of it. And so I bought a bag. I took my kids to the dollar store the other day. But I actually, in second grade, I would buy these Warhead candies, like this bag, for $1. And I would take them to school and I'd sell them. And I'd sell them for a quarter each. Now, I buy a bag like this for $1, and there's about 25 or so candies in there. But I'd take those to school, sell them for a quarter each because everyone had a quarter on them, and the kids wanted the candy more than the money. And I realized that as a kid. So I saw an opportunity and I took it and I made a bunch of money for a second grader. I thought I was rich. I'd go buy toys, go buy cool model cars and things like that. But I share this with you today because I want to inspire you to go after whatever it is you have as an idea. If you have a solution that people want, if you have a solution that fills a space in the world, you can be an entrepreneur. You can start a business and you can do something to go change people, help people, and create things in the world today. Just wanted to share this with you. I hope you have an incredible day. Thanks for watching.